this moment to catch up from all the times that we lost. I've been busy chasing just where you were working 9 to 5. You impress me, independent woman and all. But let us switch position for a minute. I could be a provider, you could be my shawty, and also be my rider. No need to work, don't even sweat it. Just sit and chill, 'cause girl, I got this. Anything for you. No, I'd do anything.